Importing. Depending on your current workflow, you can import PLY files either as mesh faces for directly rendering within Blender, or PLY files can be imported as point clouds, which can enable greater performance, especially for performing bulk edits. To import as faces, go to the 3D menu and select Import. You will see one button, Import PLY as splats. When you press this button, you'll first be given a warning telling you not to use Blender's native apply scale or rotation. This is very important if you want to re-export your 3D objects later. Under this, we see UV reset. If you enable this, each face of the created object will have UVs that can be used for some advanced shading or animation techniques. If you're not planning on doing this, it's best to leave this disabled, since enabling UV reset can be quite taxing for large scans. I'm going to disable it in this case, press OK, and then I can find my PLY file and hit Import PLY as splats. If you're working with a full scene scan, this can be composed of many hundreds of thousands, if not millions of faces. So I advise immediately setting the object to show as a point cloud. Then you can perform any necessary rotations or scales to the object and set up your camera as wished. Once everything is the way you want it, you can enable camera updates for the object and update the object. To import a PLY file as a point cloud, go to the point cloud menu and import PLY as points. Again, you are advised not to apply transforms using Blender's native apply scale or rotation. I hit OK, and I can choose my PLY file and press Import PLY. The object now appears as simple vertices within the scene. And if I go to Material Preview or Rendered Mode, I won't see anything. We can add the Point Edit modifier by pressing this plus icon from the Import or Modifiers menus. And this will now let us see the points of our model while working.